few weeks ago in Chicken, my friend Jerry, who is the same one who invited me to go on my first ever glacier landing, and it ended up on Smithsonian Channel on their Ice Airport, Alaska. He invited me and a bunch of others to go on this pack rafting trip. We shuttled up in a truck, dropped the boats off and us, and then we floated down this river, and then they picked us up. Well, I kind of caught the bug, and now we're doing this via airplane, so we're gonna drop the plane off, air up the boats, take the plane, another plane down to the drop-off point, and then fly back up, get the other plane, and then take off. So it's like this true Alaskan pack raft airplane adventure. So we're going to park one of the planes down here at this strip. Looks like there's already a plane there. It's across from the beaver pond strip. And then we're going to drop in a couple miles upstream. We just dropped my stuff off and aired up the canoe, and now I'm off to drop my plane off. Jerry's gonna come get me, and then we're gonna go back up.
Dang. Take the... Yeah. That was all right. I think we've been going about an hour or so. Got some rapids down this way. Just sent up the drone, but really couldn't see anything. Garrett, my first pack rafting trip. How exciting! So it drops off right about there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. We'll live. right? Left? I think we lived.
Yeah. See that big wave I was talking about, though?
Yeah.
We punched it, right?
That was quite the adventure. We didn't go in. We did have a big wall of water. Right, exactly.
We dodged the big wave.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Thanks again, Jerry.
Absolutely, I'm on the roll.
Well, that was a spectacular, epic adventure. Holy crap. Knik traffic, Dan Red Mall in the ground across from the Beaver Pond. Departing southbound, then turning